This was a sad, poor little flower pot which was lying in the cupboard of my mother's home. I just brought it home. All the flowers have fallen down the plant. I just want this pot. This is a cap of a deodorant which is empty, but I like the black plastic color, and it's a wide mouth, cylindrical, straight cylindrical, very modern look. I'm going to use this. Some false greens because there are parts of my home which doesn't get direct sunlight and plants cannot be there, so to add a little touch of green there, I'll use some false plant leaves. This is POP or plaster of Paris, which I can mix with water and make a slurry for the base. One can even use cement for this. A river pebble stone, a little roundish is what I need. Some acrylic colors, I've taken green and white. Some stone chips, I've taken white stone chips. Of course, a brush. This is a nice red pot, but I want to make it white. Shall I leave it like this? Little white, little red shining through. I think this is also good. I'll let this dry and then give another coat of white, but this time I'll just go dry brush over it so that only the elevated parts get the white paint and the dull red thing stays behind on the deeper or the grooves. Here is the river pebble. I'm going to paint it all over using green acrylic paint and then add some spines in form of 3 lines put together, and they will form the prickly spines of the cactus, and this stone will turn into a cactus, and this cactus will look so pretty in my decor. Now I've taken this POP in this little container and I'm making a slurry or a paste using water. I'm not touching it because it will spoil the skin. Same with the cement, there should be no lumps, a smooth paste. And then I'll fill this container. This already has a little POP in it. I'll fill it a little less than the brim, and this as well. I'm just gonna poke these false leaves in, and they will get stuck in it and stand like that. They'll go fixed into this and they'll look like a plant. With this black one, I'm going to push this stone in and make it stand. I'm going to add some more plaster of Paris on the sides to stabilize it further. Now these white stone chips, I'm going to put them on the sides. I like the way it's decorated with the store-bought succulents. They will also stabilize the stone here and give it a more natural look. This is my trash to treasure makeover. What can be more trash than a piece of stone, pebble, or a piece of discarded plastic pot? And now these are beautiful pieces that I can treasure in my home, in my decor. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next video.